No, I'm not in MRNA. No, I mean, it's so frustrating. I bought it. I had like 20 or 30,000 shares, or 25 maybe, at 31.10 or so, or 31.20 or something like that, when it broke out of this tight area on the 60-minute chart. And then I got stopped out right here, break even. I lost a few pennies on it. And look at where it's now. I'm disgusted by this thing. The past 3 weeks have been very frustrating for me. I've had some great entries on some things, and I just got shaken out of everything. I can't believe it. And look at MRNA. It's up 50% since. This could have been a $500,000 trade. Look at Shady. I had it down here, 41, like mid 41s, up 15% since. SC. I had it down here, like 45 or 40, 45, 50 or something. I don't remember exactly. Shook me out, and it's up 20% since. No, I'm not gonna do wider stops. No, because I mean, if I don't use the lows of this day as my stop, where will I put my stop? Like, I have to have a stop somewhere, right? And I always use the low of the day. And if I don't use the low, where would I put it? Like, I mean, I don't know. Yeah, MRNA was the perfect setup. That's why I bought it, and I don't really know why I got shaken out. I was very cautious on the market. I was like completely certain we were gonna pull back any day, and cautious. So it does, can't be over cautious. Cost me a lot of money. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. It should have been a pretty decent 3-week period, but I've had a shitty 3 weeks instead. Taking a bunch of small losses, tried to short Tesla a bunch of times, taking a lot of small losses. Thankfully, I came in, I had no shorts overnight. I covered my DAL from yesterday. I had a nice little breakdown, but it just couldn't break down late day. If it had closed 50 cents lower, I would have held it overnight, but good thing I didn't close lower, because I would be sitting on a gap up today. Yeah, absolutely. Like, if this is the start of a new bull market, there's gonna be a lot of money to make over the next 6-12 months. Absolutely, there's gonna be a lot of money, but it's still, it's frustrating. It's frustrating knowing you were in a bunch of stuff, and okay, Shady and SC, there was nothing I could do about it. They took out the lows of the day, and I had to sell. But MRNA, I just closed it before it hit my stop. That's the thing. I was 100% certain. Like, this is how the chart looked like. It went up initial, then it had a sharp pullback. And I remember I think the market was up a lot this day. And this thing pulled back sharply. I'm like, what the fuck is this? So I just sold it. I'm like, nah, this is not acting right. And then it found some bids, and it's up straight since. So that's what fucked my mind. Because the market was up this day. I think it was 4.7. Let's see. 4.7. I think the market was up. Oh, okay, never mind. The market had a sharp reversal. Yeah, this is what it was. The market had been straight up, gapped up into resistance at a sharp reversal intraday. And I thought it was going to pull back to at least the 10 days. So that's what scared me out of MRNA. Just mind games, But on the other hand, if I wasn't cautious as a trader, we wouldn't be sitting here today. You wouldn't be listening to me. I would be working at McDonald's or something. Wow, Codex. Opening range highs yesterday was the play, and I totally dropped the ball on it. It's up 40, almost 50% since the opening range highs yesterday. Man, there's been so many big opportunities, and I just either fucked them up or totally missed them. Not my greatest 3-week period in the markets. I have to say that. It just sucks. Wow, they're really running these penny stocks today. These sub-dollar stocks.